How you doing, guys? It's Joe from Jordanbikes and welcome to the video of this Yamaha R1. This one's a 2015 on a 15 plate. It's only done 3,309 miles. It's the first one of this shape in 2015. Massive upgrade from the last one. The last one had the underseat exhaust, but this one, in my opinion, is just proper sexy looking. I've had the 13 plate and these are just a massive improvement. So as you can see, it's got some nice extras. It's got the Pipewerx exhaust and a decat. It's also got plenty of protection on the bike, bottom of the forks, on the side as well. You do get a full LED front light on these, which will show you when they start the bike up. But upgrade wise, you get the full colour TFT display, you get adjustable traction control and ABS. You also get a quick shifter as standard, so that's your shift rod there. That chunky little bit is your quick shifter. So coming around here, you'll see the full colour TFT display. You've got different modes, adjustable traction, adjustable slide control as well, and if you just look to the right hand side there, look, see that going up and down, how much brake you're putting on, and to the right of it is how much throttle as well. Proper cool bike. I do love these, look fantastic. So as you can see, you do get the full LED front light, high beam as well. You'll notice with this one it is a crossplane crank engine big bang, so with this you do get the Pipewerx exhaust and a decat, which sounds unreal. Absolutely incredible bike. If Mr. Cameraman can just come up and have a look as well. Differences from the older model, you do get fully adjustable KYB suspension. Lovely bike, because it's total different design. The back end's completely different as well, so you've got all the downforce as well for the ram with all the air bits as well. This one's been fitted with a tail tider. So that's it. If you do want this one, do be quick. Really good selling bike. They sound awesome. They look the business. And yeah, if you want it, get yourself down to Jordanbikes or just give us a call. Thank you very much.
I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.